Okay, we're getting closer, but currently we've got the intake off now because this steel line underneath started dripping at just about every connection. So now we're undoing them individually, one by one, trying to get them as straight as possible and see if we can get them to quit dripping. So that's where we're at now. Knowing that, we won't go with one of these again next time. We'll go with either all braided, or if you can get a factory one that does all four, that would be all right too. But yeah, I'm not gonna go with this style again. We thought it was actually gonna work out really well. It seemed to be nicely built and all that, but no, it's a major pain right now. It's causing us some grief. So anyway, we will deal with that and let you know how we make out. We've been just tweaking these lines so they line up as straight as possible to the fitting inside here. So we'll keep doing that, see how we make out there. I'll take you to the back. We did get our Holley tank in. It's all tied in place. Gonna hook up lines there yet, but it's looking good, so that part's getting closer. Sorry about that, we got cut off, and yeah, now he come and sat on me. So anyway, I was showing you guys the tank. Hirsch come by, hit the camera, shut it off, and now he's planted on me. So we'll get out of the way here. And there's Christopher, devil horns. And he's gonna keep topping this thing up and see if we keep checking for leaks and see if we can fix that wall and get the intake back on. So we'll be back. Now we can access that one port, at least to get a line on it, because it's really hard to access when the intake is in place because it's such a low intake. But we'll be back and show you more here shortly. We are back to this fella right now, and we still, you can see a little puddle there, so this guy's still got a little drip happening, and so he's still causing us grief, and there's not even any pressure there right now. So we're worried it's going to keep doing it. So I think what we're going to do is build a bunch of 4 AN braided lines here and get rid of this and go from there. So we'll be back. Okay, quick update on this one to go with the other ones. Oh yeah, intake's still off. So we've got braided line coming with 4 AN fittings for the end, and we're just going to change all the stainless steel lines up. I don't know, as soon as I start talking to myself, then we got Mr. Excited. So anyway, that's what's going on with this one. So we'll finish doing that stuff. We'll put the heater controls in. We'll get some more stuff done like that, and once the braided line comes, we'll build them, and then we will hopefully get this thing running. So it'll probably be running for next week now, the way this week is going. So yeah, we'll be back to show you some more on it.